Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Erika Musika Rahayu, medical student at the Medical Faculty of Jenderal Ahmad Yani University, Indonesia. I will present a poster entitled The Suitability of the Result of the CT Scan Thorax Examination with Clinical Symptom of COVID-19 Patient at Karawang Hospital in 2020 to 2021 period. At the beginning of 2020, there was a COVID-19 pandemic caused by a severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, or everyone can say SARS-CoV-2, as many as 223 countries in the world were infected with COVID-19. SARS-CoV-2 is transmitted through droplet and spread through the air when communicating, coughing, sneezing, and attaching to the mucous membrane of the nose, eyes, and mouth. The average incubation period for COVID-19 occurs on day 5 with general symptoms like fever, dry cough, sore throat, fatigue, headache, vomiting, nausea, hemoptysis, rhinorrhea, anosmia, and ageusia, and many more. This disease usually manifests in the lungs and has a specific radiological appearance that is confirmed by clinical symptoms and other tests in assessing the severity, worsening, and progressing of COVID-19. Radiological features, particularly CT scan, have more sensitive than X-ray examination. In 2021, Putra and Giovanna research showed that there was a significant correlation between CT scan result and COVID-19 symptom, preparing the ground for the study to be done in Karawang, West Java, fifth largest city. This is analytical research with a cross-sectional study to analyze the suitability of the result of the CT scan thorax examination with clinical symptom of COVID-19 patient through medical record data at Karawang Hospital. The inclusion criteria for the study were confirmed for COVID-19 patient who had a chest CT scan, with exclusion criteria for COVID-19 patient who had been vaccinated, and incomplete medical record data. Sampling using a consecutive sampling method with a sample obtained for 13 people and analyzed using a kappa test. The research has been approved by the Health Research Ethics Commission of the Faculty of the Medicine, Jenderal Ahmad Yani University, and Karawang Hospital. This manifestation showed that 5 people had low and mild symptoms, while 8 people had moderate to severe symptoms. When performing a CT scan of the thorax, the patient comorbid factor like age, obesity, hypertension, lung disease, smokers, and people who consume alcohol, as well as other respiratory symptoms or disorder, influence the number of the symptom. The majority of COVID-19 patients were indeterminate to typical with up to 9 people and negative to atypical with up to 4 people. This is because the CT scan of the thorax has sensitive and specific in diagnosing COVID-19 progressive stage with an accuracy of 96.46%. The kappa test showed that a value of K is 0.675, indicating that the result of the CT scan examination and the clinical symptom of COVID-19 patient were quite matched. Based on the research, it can be seen that the result of the CT scan of the patient thorax are negative, atypical, indeterminate, and typical. It can be seen in this picture. For conclusion, it was determined that the more severe of COVID-19 symptom felt, the more characteristic COVID-19 would appear on the chest CT scan. There is no conflict of interest in writing this article. Perhaps that's all I would say for the explanation for this poster. Sorry for the mistake. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.